What is up guys? What is up guys? Welcome back to my channel today. So if I look like Donkey Doodle, I do apologize, but
that's just how I look today, so
what can you do? Me and my mom have been having this crazy addiction to the Dollar Tree lately, so we go in there, get makeup products, and I figured why not use that to my advantage and get some content. I recently came across this brand named Beauty Benefit.
What is Beauty Benefit?
Beauty Benefit, and they basically have a line of foundation powders, blush, bronzer, gloss, mascara, highlighter, things like that. So I figured, why not get ready today trying those products? So if you guys want to see that, definitely keep on watching. Also, if you're new, what's up? And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so I'm going to start off by opening up this Wet n Wild contour brush. This was $1. This is C790. I don't know if that means anything, but it's basically these brushes that come like this. Pretty cute. Nice little, pink ombre effect. I'm going to go in with the Total Coverage Foundation Powder and Latte. It says this is a silky smooth formula, all day wear, radiant finish. I didn't even notice that. So this is what it looks like. Matches the brush.
Total aesthetic.
Okay, let's open this up. This is, alright, I thought it was like a little circle. This is actually a big square. So I'm hoping that it does us some justice today. Take a little bit on this brush and let's see what happens. I'm gonna just lightly press it to see if there's any pigment or if anything is happening. Whoa, okay, so that is actually really good. Again, especially for $1, you can't complain. All right, I definitely got powder in my eye.
be careful, be careful.
My eyes are gonna look crazy. We need a coffee break.
Oh yeah.
So how do you guys like it so far? I feel like this is really good for a natural look. Not complaining. Let's move on. I'm gonna go in with the same powder. Except this one is in shade Oat. Looks like this. So I'm gonna use that to bronze and warm up my Casper face. And this one has like little shimmers in it, so it's pretty cool. Okay, not bad. Alright, I think I'm going a little overboard. Make sure we get the hairline nice and good. Okay.
Done with that. Moving on.
I'm going to take a little bit of this silky bronzer. This one is an oil-free formula. It's a lightweight and it's flawlessly tan. Alright, so I'm going to take the shade in Biscotti. Let's see how this one looks. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Is there anything happening? Anything?
Whoa, okay, so yes.
This is definitely giving me the bronzy look. Whoa, alright, that's really bronze, but that's good for my 5 head, so let me put some more to bring my 5 head down. Alright, this sponge is not from the Dollar Tree, but I'm going to use it with a little bit of the first powder to clean up some bronzy mistakes. Let's dust this off.
Perfect. Moving on.
Next, we're gonna go in with the Silky Blush in Flamingo. I wanted something that was gonna be really bright and, just pop a little bit.
I don't know what I was thinking.
This is how this one looks, and I'm sure it's pigmented.
I'm sure.
So I'm gonna take a little bit and see what happens. Do you guys see anything? No? There we go.
Okay, that's what we were looking for.
Right, so I feel like once you punch the product, you gotta punch it, you get some really good
pigment to use.
I feel like I'm going overboard. Next, I'm gonna go in with the highlighting powder. This has 2 shades of highlight. So I feel like I'm gonna use this one here, but who knows, I may end up using the whole damn thing, so. Do you guys see anything? I feel like it's a very natural glow, you know, very natural. I like to shine. Okay.
All right, yeah, no, don't like that.
That could go in the trash. I feel like I need to spray this look a little down. Maybe that will give me a little bit more
A glow.
that I'm missing. So I'm gonna take the LA Colors setting spray and use that to spray this down. Yeah, I forgot that thing was
Dangerous.
let this dry. You guys think I should really dye my hair blonde? Let me know, let me know. I don't know, I'm getting
Quarantine fever.
Next, I'm gonna go in with their sparkling lip gloss. This is ultra glossy, moisturizing, high shine.
Mega shine. I like the mega shine.
This one is in clip. Once again, fight with the packaging or
Just rip it.
this is how it looks.
Very cute. What do you guys think?
So overall, I actually really did like the look. This is what, maybe like, it's maybe like what, altogether $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. And if you take away this
Gross.
highlighter, $5. So this look for $5, I don't know who's fighting with you, cause
I ain't.
as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you like this. I
Really do appreciate you for watching.
do hope you guys try out these beauty benefit products. I feel like for $5, my face doesn't look bad at all, but who knows? Maybe you guys like,
That looks like hot poo poo.
I don't know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. If you have any other content ideas as well, definitely let me know down below that you want me to try. Once again, thanks guys. Goodbye.